Hello and welcome back to Karen Cooks Recipes.
Today we are going to show you how to make the perfect smoothies. You will need 1 large banana, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 heaped tablespoon of peanut butter, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of honey. Always remember to wash your hands before cooking. Today we focused on peanut butter and banana. Add all your ingredients to the blender. Make sure the lid is fastened so that none of the mixture leaks. Then blend it all. Put it into nice mugs and add straws if you want.